So this architectural design piece was in really bad shape. Just way too much water went down through it over the years. So we're remaking it. I'm hopeful that we can use these pieces here. So I've made what I'll call Yoda silhouettes to remind me of. And what I've done is use the same one as a template. I drew one template from here and used the same one. And I was able to hand cut all this. I ended up using a scroll saw to make this cut right here. Well, I cut in here with the hand saw. Then I was able to make that turn and come in from this side and make that turn. And I've marked out where we need an edge on here. We're going to rasp it on. We don't have the router here with us, so we'll rasp it on. It will be pretty good. So now I'm going to nail these together. They're just a touch thicker, but not much, pretty close. And then I'm going to gently try to remove these pieces and transfer them onto here and rasp that in. And then do some rasping on the edges to get them all lined up a little bit better. Any caulking if needed. And then I'm going to pre-drill screw holes so I can screw this in up above. Now they had mortared it in, but I rebuilt the top already and I didn't plan for that, and I didn't think it was that necessary. I can they use nails, but I'm going to use screws going up in at an angle. So this thing will be mounted. I'll have at least six, 8 screws in it holding it in. At least 2-inch, 2.5-inch. So they'll be in there. So that's where we're at. It's going to look cool.